Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to update your Bird Buddy firmware, keeping the camera on the latest software is one of the easiest ways to improve its performance and reliability. Firmware updates often include better stability, enhanced AI features, improved connectivity, and fixes for known software issues. The update process usually takes only a few minutes, but it's important to prepare your camera properly to avoid interruptions. A stable connection and a few simple checks can help the installation finish successfully the first time. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to update your Bird Buddy firmware. Launch the Bird Buddy app and select your connected camera. 2. Open the camera's device information section to check the current firmware version. 3. Tap Update when a new firmware version is available. 4. Keep your phone connected to a stable Wi Fi network throughout the installation. 5. Verify the updated firmware version after the camera automatically restarts.